Hey guys, welcome back to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor, FM. So DVSA has sent us an update, a slight change in the dates regarding when you can start doing your driving tests and driving lessons again, as well as one of my students who made an interesting point in a way that you guys possibly can get a driving test very, very soon. So let's go through a few things. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. There's a little button in your bottom right hand corner. Click the button and we give you all the latest videos and the latest updates regarding your driving tests and your driving lessons. Okay, so all practical and theory tests suspended in England update. We previously let you know that all practical driver ride and theory tests would be suspended in England whilst the new national restrictions are in place. Following the clarification from the government, these restrictions will last up to and including Wednesday, 2nd of December 2020. So previously, we were told that we could start on the 2nd of December doing our practical tests and driving lessons, but now we're saying it's including the 2nd, so you won't be able to do your driving test on the 2nd. This means all driver and ride and theory tests will restart on the 3rd of December. So unfortunately, for all of those students who thought they could start on the 2nd, unfortunately, you guys can't. We have emailed everyone with a test booked between the 5th of November and Wednesday, 2nd of December to let them know it will be rescheduled to a new time and date. Driver and rider training should now restart until Thursday, 3rd of December. So that's the main update from DVSA regarding when you can do your driving tests and lessons in England, as well as your theory tests. Okay, so that's the first update. Okay, now let me give you a tip in order to try and get driving test very, very soon. Because I know some of you students had done their lessons, paid for the lessons, spent a lot of money, and then come just before the 5th of November, we were told, okay, our tests are being suspended. So those students are now very frustrated and they're really, obviously, really disappointed. But there's also other students who didn't take their lessons for a couple of weeks, maybe even a month. They had the test past the 2nd of December. They thought a couple of weeks before we'll get their lessons in and then hopefully do the test and be prepared for the test. So some of those students are now saying to me that actually, they're not going to be prepared. They don't think they're going to have time. So come the 3rd of December now, and whoever's got the test coming up, they're saying to me now, actually, let's postpone a test, even if it's a longer wait, because they'd rather be patient and pass the test than rush into it and they're not ready for it. So there may be quite a few cancellation happening. Make sure you guys are online on your phone, on the apps, ready to book the test that some students are going to cancel. That's one method of trying to get a test very, very soon, especially for those students who are really desperate for it. They need it maybe for whatever commitments that they have or that they've prepared for the test and it's been cancelled. So I'll say watch out for it. Some students are now going to cancel their test. They're not ready to take the test and those slots are going to appear soon. So that's one of my tips for now. Catch us on FM Driving School. Make sure you like, share and subscribe for all the latest tips, all the latest driving tuition advice, lesson tips, how to pass your driving test. So make sure you guys subscribe.